Let's crochet 2 eyes of baby chick. Round 1. Start 4 single crochet stitches in magic ring. Pick up the white yarn. Wrap the yarn once around your pinky. Drape that yarn over your index finger. Loop it once around your middle finger. Hold on to that intersection point with your thumb. Stick the hook into the loop from the right to the left. Grab onto the yarn. Bring the yarn through the loop as well as rotate the hook. Yarn over. Pull it through the loop that's on the hook. And if you did everything correctly at this point, you can let go of your piece and everything would stay intact. Put the hook into the loop. There are 3 loops on the hook now. Yarn over. Bring that yarn only under the first 2 strands of yarn on the hook. Yarn over again. Then, pull that yarn through both loops on the hook. The first single crochet stitch in magic ring finished. Take the stitch marker in the first stitch. Flip your piece to look at the rim of the circle. The top loop of the stitch you just made traces back into a V. Put the stitch marker under that horizontal V. Now, let's crochet the second single crochet stitch. Now crochet the third single crochet stitch. The fourth single crochet stitch. Pull the yarn tail, and the magic ring will appear. Let's crochet round 2, start 4 increased stitches. Firstly, we need to take off the stitch marker in round 1. An increased stitch is shorthand for putting 2 single crochet stitches in the same hole. The first single crochet stitch in round 2 finished. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 2. Now we'll crochet the second single crochet stitch in the same hole. Okay, the first increased stitch finished. Now, we will crochet the second increased stitch. 1 SC stitch in the same stitch hole. 2 SC stitches. The second increased stitch finished. Start the third increased stitch. The third increased stitch finished. Now what we are crocheting is the fourth increased stitch. The fourth increased stitch finished. Pull the yarn tail to make the whole of magic ring disappear. In round 3, we will crochet 8 single crochet stitches. Remove the stitch marker in round 2. Crochet the first single crochet stitch and use the stitch marker again. Crochet the second single crochet stitch. The third single crochet stitch. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. The seventh one. The eighth one. 8 single crochet stitches finished. Finish up and leave the long tail for sewing. Remove the stitch marker. We can cut the yarn tail of magic ring or hide it in the piece. Put the eye over here. Take the backing, and the backing should have a flat side and a rounded side. The flat side is going to face the fabric. Okay, 1 eye of baby chick finished. Please crochet the second eye on your own.